Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys some secrets on the petal update on Dress to Impress. So here, as you can see, this is honestly, it's a little bit blended with some of the items, but you can select this butterfly item here. You can toggle it on head, on finger and head, and you can kind of scroll it up and down. If you don't want it on chin, you can remove that. You can also remove it from your eyebrow or even on mouth, and you can just have two butterflies. There's also like this headpiece here. I honestly thought it kind of blended in with the back here, as well as this like sun hat. You can also now adjust accessories, as you can see here. You can rotate them, you can scale them, make it bigger, make it smaller. You can position them up and down, forward and backward, and so on. Like so. And then in the VIP section, there's these items. So the mixing bowl is here. There's also like a new toggle on this top. You can just wear this to like layer, I guess. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!